Hello, little one. Bonsoir. Welcome to Beary Bedtime. The sun has gone to sleep and the stars are starting to shine. Beau is painting the stars just for you. Shh. Écoute. The stars are whispering. It's time for us to get cozy and calm. Mama Bear and Beau are sitting on a soft, mossy hill with a soft, fluffy blanket covering them under a lavender sky.
Are you tucked in tight? Is your favorite blanket soft?
I'm ready, Mama. My blanket feels like a warm cloud, a nuage.
Good. Now take a big, sleepy breath with us. Snuggle deep into your blankets. Our sleepy story is about to begin. Tonight, Beau and I are going to take you to the secret garden of dreams to find the moonflower.
The glowing moonflower, la fleur de lune. Mama Bear and Beau are holding hands and walking slowly through a forest where the trees are painted in shades of deep blue and silver, under a giant silver moon with some sparkling stars in the dark navy sky.
We walk slowly through the trees. Can you hear the leaves whispering? Écoute, listen.
They are saying shh. Look, Mama, the path is glowing. It's so beautiful.
Yes, Beau. We call this the silver path. To follow it, we must take deep, slow breaths. Breathe in the scent of the pine trees and breathe out the busy day.
Beau is closing his eyes and taking a deep, slow breath. Then they reach a clearing and arrive at the secret garden where flowers glow with a soft blue light. In the center, there is a single shimmering white flower, the moonflower that pulses with a soft light.
There it is, la fleur de lune, the moonflower. It only opens when the world is peaceful and calm.
The moonflower releases tiny glowing sparkles into the air.
Close your eyes now. Let's breathe in the moonlight. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Feel how heavy your paws are.
Mama Bear and Beau are tucked into a mossy bed with their cozy, soft, fluffy navy star blanket covering them. Mama Bear kisses Beau's forehead.
It is time for dreams. Bonne nuit, my sweet Beau. Good night to the forest. And now say bonne nuit to the flower.
Good night, moonflower. Bonne nuit.
Mama Bear and Beau already fell asleep peacefully. Bonne nuit,